So as part of our series, I'm with Justice here from Winpat, and instead of buying seeds for the time of the year that we are at, they recommended that we buy seedlings for the tomatoes. So he's just going to explain randomly what he's seeing here, because this is one of the companies that they recommended for us to buy the seedlings for tomatoes. So we're just going to walk through, nothing specific. Yes, Justice, welcome.
Okay, so we are here as Winpat Agrochemicals. We are here at Grown-up Seedlings. As you can see, these are the seeds. This is our cabbages, different varieties. So,
Oh, these are cabbages.
yes, these are cabbages.
When you say different varieties, what do you mean?
Actually, there is a Star 33 series, and there are Star, there's Lunaria, and white and red cabbage there, and Chinese cabbage is also there.
Oh, Chinese cabbages there.
Yes, this is our watermelons.
Watermelons.
Yes, watermelons. There is a different variety. This one is Crimson Sweet, and thereby there's Baraka, there's Keto F1, the hybrid ones. So today we are here to buy tomato seed. So we are choosing Chibli as one of our variety, which is going to be the best variety for our place.
Okay.
So there's a chilies.
So what these are chilies. So
Yes.
what sort of factors do you look at when you're actually buying, especially the tomatoes? I saw when you actually you're trying to tilt one of them, asking if they are hardened.
Yeah. Actually, when you are choosing the type of a tomato, we tilt and we see if it can't break, or it when it turns around my finger without breaking, it shows that the seed is well hardened.
It's well hardened.
Yes, and it's ready for transplanting.
Okay, so what does the process of hardening mean?
Actually, we will be it's a sort of pre-climatizing a crop or a plant to adapt to the next environment which you are going to transplant it to.
Okay.
Yes. So it will be easy to adapt to the
So do you
the new
advise people to
environment.
buy seeds or seedlings when they are doing their...
Actually, when you are buying seedlings, you have to go to reputable seed producers like Grown-up, like Hobax, and for today we've chosen the Green-up, since one of the companies which are reputable in producing seedlings. Yes.
So any tips that you want to give before we go?
Yeah,
You've covered everything, yeah?
I've covered almost everything.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. Any question?
So that was Justice from Winpat, and we were just buying seedlings here and at this place, and he shared his knowledge on on buying seedlings. And you can get in touch with this company. I'm gonna put the number on the screen if you need to get a seedlings. I see that there's different uh, uh, things actually. So I'm looking at this red. What is this?
This is red lettuce.
Red lettuce.
Yes.
Okay. Then
The variety is fancy.
the variety is fancy.
Yes.
I'm gonna be learning a lot about varieties. Okay, thank you so much, Justice.
Okay. So this is beetroot.
This is beetroot.
Yes, and onion as well.